Hello, greetings. Tenakoto Katoa. We are Bank of New Zealand, also known as BNZ. We are delighted to be here and sharing stage with inspiring leaders and successful transformation leaders, practitioners, and experts. We are sharing our story, banking on flow metrics, the why, how did we approach it, and what did we learn from it?
Yes, it's great to be here and sharing our transformational journey. And it's key to share with you that we have just started. We're at the beginning. And the earlier you can establish these metrics, the better off you're going to be. We are here on this global stage because of our people. In New Zealand, we have a famous Maori proverb, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It is the people, the people, the people. However, successful businesses are also driven by purpose, and our purpose is to help our customers to be good with money. We lead the market with innovative banking and engaging customer experiences.
We are really excited to be here. In 2019 Summit, I remember Gene and Dr. Mick were asking for people about flow framework and flow metrics, anybody adopting in the enterprise-wide. 2 years down the line, we are here to share our experience and learning. I am also thrilled today to introduce our Chief Technology Officer, Paul Littlefair. Paul is an award-winning CIO, a successful transformational leader in leading and transforming complex technology units within an enterprise to be a high-performing one. He relentlessly focused on improving the flow and value delivery. Paul believes in leaders, empower people, and give them the capability and appetite to be curious, to take risk, experiment, and bring their best every day to work.
Oh, and thank you so much, BMK. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce BMK here. BMK is a passionate value stream architect. He's a DevOps enthusiast. He's been with Bank of New Zealand for over a decade. He is a New Zealand ambassador for CNCF, the DevOps Institute, and the Continuous Delivery Foundation. And very recently, he became a value stream consortium board advisor.
Thank you, Paul. We are Bank of New Zealand. We are serving our customers over 150 years. We provide banking to a full range of our customers, from simple transactional banking, personal and home lending to individual and small, medium enterprise customers, through to complex borrowing and Forex facilities for commercial, corporate, institutional customers. We are part of National Australian Bank Group.
And while we offer a full service, we also are so proud that we have the best online banking in the country. We've won the Canstone Awards for the last 3 years in a row, and the research has noted that Bank of New Zealand is particularly strong in its mobile offerings. We have served families in this country for generations, and more than banking, we focus on sustainability, protecting the environment, and also our sponsorships to support and give back to our communities.
Paul, this I have heard a number of times, digital first, human when it matters. What does it mean to you as a technology leader?
Yeah, it's a great phrase and one we use a lot here. And while BNZ is a mature, industry-leading and award-winning bank, we cannot take this position for granted. We absolutely need to keep pace with the disruptors. We need to continue to innovate, stay ahead, deliver the service and support our customers. Neobanks, fintechs, and other disruptors are coming, we are well aware. And we also have a huge burden of compliance and regulation as well. People in the audience in financial services will totally understand that. So driving a digital and innovation agenda faster is critical for us, and we need to be digital first. However, banking also relies on trust, and so it's really important that we continue to have those human relationships with people. And so human where it matters is also key. But of course, as a technologist, I want to support that with technology as well.
We have a great culture, amazing people here. We are continuously learning organization. Our conversations are healthy, our bondings are great, and connections are strong.
Yeah, so to talk about the technology at Bank of New Zealand, we provide the technology for the whole bank, the external systems, the online channels you've heard me talk about, but the internal systems, the branch, ATMs, frontline, mobile lending managers, everything. We have a full spectrum of technology. We have a big stack, front ends, back ends, middleware, data centers, cloud, analytics, you name it, we have it. We have a super complex portfolio. We still have people building assembler in our core banking system, which predates the moon landings. We have legacy systems, batch processing, COBOL, all those legacy systems. But we're also very committed to modern systems as well. So we have microservices, cloud native, event streaming, we do it. And we take responsibility for that entire technology stack. And as you can imagine, there's a fair amount of tech debt in there, and it may come as a surprise, but we actually have to provide the levels of tech debt to our regulators. They are that interested in the technology stack within our industry.
But Paul, interesting question here. But despite that, everyone just says, what are and where are my features?
Yeah, you're absolutely right, BMK. There's always the question, where are my features? What are you delivering next? Where's the delivery? And look, we need to deliver features. It is what we are paid to do. It is what drives the organization forwards. But people turn up and say, I want this feature or that feature. And then we turn around and say, well, what about security? And they say, well, of course it needs to be secure. Why would you even expect me to have to tell you that? And then I say, well, what about robustness and resiliency? Backup, disaster recovery. Oh, yeah, of course we need all that. Risk management. How about dealing with tech debt, addressing defects? How about spending time on continuous improvement? And so, we have that real challenge, right? And we are totally expected to do more with less. How do we do that? And how do we become more effective and efficient? And I think most people in the audience will know that you need